Hello friends, we'll be discussing the concept of economic cycles. Now, economic cycles refers to the stages that is used here right from the start to the end of it, and what are the variants that we can discuss here is what we'll be going forward with now. So let's start with the first point that has been mentioned here. The term economic cycle or business cycle refers to the economy-wide fluctuation in production or economic activities such as income, employment, savings, investments over several months or years. So basically, this business cycle or economic cycle talks about the investments, the saving, how the production and the opportunity cost can be increased here. These fluctuations occur around a long-term growth trend and typically involves shift over a period time or rather time between relatively or periods of relatively rapid economic growth and periods of relatively stagnation or decline. So basically there is certain appreciation, there is certain depression that happens. So the economic cycle may go up, then it goes down, then it goes a little up. So it just acts like an heartbeat here. That's what you need to understand how the economic cycle works. Business cycles are usually measured by considering the growth rate of real gross domestic product. That means GDP. So how much ever GDP that keeps on growing, that's the real growth of the business. Despite being termed cycles, these fluctuations in economic activity do not follow a mechanical or predictable periodic pattern. So, despite being termed as a cycle here, we understand that cycle is a circular term that we can talk about. However, you cannot predict exactly where it will be right now, how it will be at a later stage. So, economic cycles basically talk about the income opportunities, the savings, investments, and other aspects related to the monetary terms here. So this is all that we could have discussed when it comes to economic cycles, and these are the only things that you need to mention when it comes to discussion about economic cycles. So this is all that we have for it. Thank you.